Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. Today you will be going to learn about Law of Divine Oneness. The first and most introductory law of universe is the law of divine oneness. Everybody in the world is pretty much aware about law of attraction. However, there are 12 universal laws, and it starts with law of divine oneness. So, now you will start to understand what is law of divine oneness. The first and most introductory law of the universe is the law of divine oneness, which highlights the connection of all things. It says that all things are interconnected with each other in this universe. It says that beyond our senses and imagination, every thought, action, and event is in some way connected to anything and everything else. This law states that we are all connected through creation. Every single particle inside of you is connected in some way, shape, or a form to the rest of the universe you move through. This first law will help us to understand rest of the universal law. Remember, we are all one. Now try to understand this, how it works. As I told you earlier, we all are one, and all things are connected with something and somewhere in this universe. This is the fundamental rule, and it will help you to understand how it works. I will give you some very good examples so you will understand how it works. For example, if you help someone, you feel good in your heart somewhere. You feel happiness with that person in your heart, mind, and body. Did you think at any point of time what is happened? Because at that time you are totally connected with that person somewhere on spiritual level. You feel like you are that person, and that's why you are able to feel happiness of that person. This is the law of divine oneness. In other example, if you have bad behavior with someone or you hurt someone, you feel bad somewhere in your heart. You will find opposite vibration in your body. You feel unnecessary anger in your mind. And why this is happening? Because you are connected with that person with the law of divine oneness. And that is the reason, if you are hurting someone, you are hurting to yourself. Human beings need to try and understand here that we are connected with, or in other words, created with divine source of energy. Everything exists in this universe, visible and non-visible, touchable and non-touchable, seen and unseen are connected somewhere. Together, we all are one divine source. Each human being is blessed with great power and spiritual energy. There is a power in your collective mind, and it is called the hive mind. We all are connected with Source, And that is the reason. If we ask for something and we have a belief on thought and universe, then it comes into reality. Our hive mind is strong enough to manifest anything with a strong belief. You just need to take similar action in your day-to-day life to manifest your desire. All circumstances will gradually fall into your favor to fulfill your desire. There is a strong reason why this particular law is foundation of all other universal laws. And reason is it helped to set up all other laws because of divine oneness. And that's why all other laws are also connected with each other. All these laws are nothing but precise formulas of the universe. They help to measure and create your reality. The law of divine oneness is helping all the time, and it is happening all the time, like law of gravity and law of attraction, whether you believe it or not. Human beings are blessed with divine energy, and it brightly shines within them. There is a source of energy in all of us. There is a God in all of us. No matter who you are, what you have done, and what you believe, we have a source within us. Just believe it and trust the universe.